everybody, and welcome to Caldera Creative Creations. Today we are making a beautiful spring wreath. If you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider press the subscribe button. You will be notified of my upcoming videos, and with that, much thanks. And let's get this beauty started. We are working with some peonies. We are also working with some of these greenery. We also got some white, assorted little white florals and some of these beauties. We also got our eucalyptics. We got a 97-inch non-wired pink ribbon. We also are making our little ribbons, little bows. With that, we need three 11-inch burlaps and three 11-inch pink. It's just a little velvety one. And three pipe cleaners. Okay, and we are working with a 14-inch wired ribbon, wired wreath. And let's get this started. Hello and good day, good evening, and good morning. Okay, first things first, we are going to make a 10-inch tail. Let me see what side I was working with. Yep, 10-inch tail, 10-inch tail, and then we are going to make two 11-inch loops, 11-inch loops. I tried this with the non-wire. This is pretty ribbon, I thought. So 1 and 2. Okay, we got that. Let's see. Uh-oh. Kind of tooling. Good way to measure them. Okay, we're going to get this up here on my pinpoint. Put it in there and just push it in and just pinch and bam. Look at that. Got that in there like that. Wow. Okay. Now, get the tail going that way. Now we're going to go down. And we're going to get another, just one loop. Another 11-inch loop up here. I'm going to get this beauty right here. Put it in. Put it in there and got it. Bam. Like that. Wow. Uh-oh. Okay, then we're going to go down here, and we are going to make our last two 12-inch loops. 1 and 2. I think a little more. Got our 12-inch loops. Bam. Okay. Gonna get those right in here. There it is. How lovely is that? Uh-oh, the other way. There we go. There. Okay, how's that looking? Got this going. Now we are going to get some greenery going up in here. I got these beauties going around. Let's just see. Let's just. Okay, this is the side. We're working with side. Let's just start working over here. I can get them in there, huh? Pin them in. Get these going. Get some more over here. Oh, this is another one, huh? My other greenery. Well, I love to work with those ones. I like the fillings. Look at that. Get some more of these beauties going. Yeah. I think I'm going to put these around this way. Yeah. Work around with your greenery, you know. Put them under this one over here. There, like that. What else do we got going on over here? Let's see, one more here. I'm just working all over, huh? Got that one there. Okay, I think we're gonna start back over here. This guy in here. That one's in here. There. Okay. Get some more over here. Look at this. How is it looking at, buddy? It's the beginning, but you're going to get this beautiful going. Okay, we'll stop right there. No, I am just going to keep going until I'm done with these greenery. Okay. Let's get another one in here. I'm going to hide this down in here. Get this right in here. There. Okay, now let's get our peonies. We're going to get our peonies. Let's see. Okay, this is the bold part right here. So we're going to Get this double peony in here. Sitting right there. These beauties going. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Okay. Let's get some more peonies going. And here, I think I got to step back and visualize. Check out what I got working with here. You can make some little adjustments. I think we'll get a little bit. Another one right here. Peony. Wow. Look at that. Just getting all these peonies all over. Okay. I think we're going to get another one right up here with this guy right here. Fill that one in there. Wow. Okay. I got some other little filler. This one. We also got our eucalyptic so we could get that going. Those going too. Just another filler. A little bit of. Nah, I think we'll put this down here. Ooh. There. Okay, let's get these beautiful eucalyptics going. Let's put these in, on the. So this is the bad guy. This is kind of the one that need to be shown. There. Okay, let's get these other little pieces all over here. Ah! Get these guys all in where there's spaces. Get those all in there. Get this beauty going. Look here. How's it looking, everybody? I enjoy your comments. Leave a comment or just give me a thumbs up. Ooh, look at this. How gorgeous. Beautiful. Anything need to go on over here? I think we're going to put a floral right there. Get another eucalyptic right here. Okay, we got that. Now let's see. Let's get some of these beautiful white florals in here. Yes, indeed. I think we're going to put these guys in here. Oh, look at this. Okay. Now let me stop right there because we got these guys going. So I think I'm going to one right in here. These are pretty. Wish I had more of these. And then we'll put another one mixed with this because this is the bold statement right here. So we got that going. We got this. Let me scoot this down in a little more. Ooh, look at that. Okay, I think we're going to stop right there. Ooh, we got one more eucalyptic. I think we're going to bam, 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 bam. We're going to stop right there. And we are going to get our little burlap ribbon, little burlap and pink going. Okay, like I said, we got 3 of these 11-inch burlaps and 3 of these 11-inch pink. We're going to put them together and we're going to get our pipe cleaner. And voila. How is that? Ooh. Okay, we're going to get these beauties in here. Ooh. Look at this. How easy is this making, huh? How easy was this to make? Use your mind imagination and step back and visualize your creativity and just have fun making it. Yes, indeed. Look at that. Ooh. There we go. We got 1. We got 3. So we got to balance these out. I think I'll put one right there and one right there and one right in here. Get this. There. And I'm going to pop the blood out like that. Another right there. And I think we're going to get one more over here. And I think we got it, everybody. Let me just get this and let's fluff them out. And we got it. Yes, indeed. Okay. There we go. Let's puff this beauty out. One to the left and one to the right. Hey, look at that. Okay, let me puff some of this out and see how our beauty came. There, look how pretty. Okay, let's get some of these florals in here too. Cover some of our little opened up spaces and some more white in here. Right here. These ain't with wires. Don't have the wire in it. I thought they were so beautiful though. But they're just soft. There's no wire in it. But like I said, you can use your glue gun to get all your fixtures on here if you want them to stay. And with that said, I think we got this beauty. Okay, like always, it was a pleasure to be here with you guys, and I thank you for the subscribers and viewing my channel. My channel is slowly growing, and it's much thanks to all of you. So I really do appreciate you guys' comments and your views and subscribing. With that said, let's get this beauty up so we can see what we made today, and let's just all have a good day, and let's get that smile on. Let me step back and visualize what we made today. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. We fix this, and we got a tail. Okay. Till the next video, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and share. Just be creative and work with your items and come out with the beauty. Wow. Till next video. See you guys. Have a great day.